Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 INFINITI QX80. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 5.6 V8 with 400 horsepower and 413 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 22-inch multi-spoke forged aluminum wheels. 5.6 badging on the side. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Wood trim. Rear seat entertainment, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, QX80 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, keyless entry, Bose sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a wood leather steering wheel, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, radio, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, our different driving functions, automatic transmission. This INFINITI has 63,265 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this INFINITI QX80, visit us at feldmannimports.com.